We're here at the Inn in Magnuson, whatever. This is the Magnuson Hotel. Here in Crawfordville, Florida. Check out what we have here. Another Mowrey here. Nice. There's your phone, Janice. This looks like a 2000s cab design that every elevator manufacturer decided to use. Speaking of this, look at that lantern. Let's go. I guess they don't want anybody to smoke in this hotel. In there's a significant space in there. Now the elevator. Vandalik buttons. This phone box need to be fixed. I'm fine. See, they're like pointing to this button over here. Probably why. But yeah, that's a nice hotel. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.